Today I'm taking a look at the pop-up outlet. Okay, so this has a nice metal case on it. It also has a nice thick extension cord on it. And this cord is about 5 feet long. So the real difficult thing about this is drilling a hole in the desk. This calls for a 4-inch hole saw. But after that, it's just a matter of dropping it in and taking this ring and threading that on. So that's interesting. So it actually pulls the cable up as the piston is extending. So we're going to lose about a foot. So we're looking at about 4 feet total. That is pretty cool. So it doesn't just shoot the thing out, which is great. I actually really like that. It's a nice smooth action. It does have a little bit of movement in it, which is completely expected in my opinion. It would take a lot of engineering in order to get this thing to be super solid. So I think that this is completely acceptable and nice and tight. So we do have a charger on the top. We got 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-A and a USB-C. And it says that this is a 20-watt power delivery. Power switch. Yeah, it's a very nice feeling power strip. So this desk is a little bit thicker than this hole saw, but that's perfectly fine because what that's going to allow me to do is it's going to allow me to drill from the top instead of just blowing through and then making a bunch of chip outs on the bottom. I can drill to the top till it stops and then drill from the bottom up, and now I'll have a nice clean surface on both sides. Now there's a drawer here, so I want to be mindful of that. I don't want to be drilling into a spot where this is going to hit the drawer. I also want to make sure I'm not going to be hitting the leg, so I just kind of take a look underneath, see everywhere where it might hit, and then just avoid that. There's also a lip right here, so I don't want to have the drill right next to the edge. I want to have it out just a little bit, but I want to have it far back enough that I can still close the drawer. Got a nice clean plug. Okay. So I want it to be facing about like that. Then we just got to take this locking ring and thread that on. It is nice. I really like that dampened slow motion on there. Just makes it look a lot more luxurious. Okay, left is off, right is on. Yep, we are charging the phone. If I put my rework station on here, we've got power. And I just wanted to point out, so this is a flashlight that is capable of wireless charging, and that does work with the outlet pushed down. So that doesn't matter. We can lift it up, keeps charging, and it'll keep on charging whether it is up or down. So yeah, that is a very nice power strip.